Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. And today is Thursday, and we are doing none other than our baby deal. And the feature store is Walmart. So let's go in here. This is a non-judgmental thing. So let's go. Okay, guys, if you don't hear me talking, it's because too many people is around me. But just look at what I'm grabbing. I grabbed two of these. I grabbed two of these. This is our baby edition. One of these. Two of these. Lotion. There guys, a Playmat kit for $5.50. I don't want to do $5.50. Let me see. So let's walk through here. Let's go to the baby department. Now, today is our baby deals, okay? The things you see me put in my cart, I will show you the coupons for, but I don't. This is a at your own risk deal today. You know, I got to do it every now and then. But somebody inboxed me, said they was desperate to find baby stuff. I'm just showing you a scenario that you can do. This is the one I'm going to do for my niece. Then, you know, you all do what you want to do with it. All right? You could mix and match whatever you want to do. So that's all I want to tell you guys. Do it at your own risk. Okay, you don't have to don't judge me. I'm telling you, it's at your own risk. Now, we going over here in the baby zone because it's the baby deal. And everybody needs some help outs right about now. So we helping out. If you don't want to do this one, you can switch it to what you want to do it for. But you all know on Thursday, as promised, you get a baby deal. And it's at whatever store that's got the better prices, right? So let's see what they got over here. Y'all know what? I am missing the Pampers for some reason. Let me see. So let's get down here to the Diapers and the Johnsons & Johnsons, that type of stuff. Try to get something that you already have a coupon for. So that's why you see me coming over into the Pamper aisle. Because I want to do something that is already have a coupon for. I don't want do a deal that don't have one. And I know my worstest thing when I was having my baby, I needed Pampers everywhere. And here they are. So they are $4.97. See that? What's the count? 31 count? Let's see how the coupon look for it. I'm going to grab 2 packs if I can, okay? But guys, this is the thing. Even if they don't work, these diapers, with this dollar off, they $3.97. That's still a great deal. Like, you still getting a big deal out of these. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to lay these 2 out because she did say get these. She told me she needs some tools. I think I'm going to get this side. Yeah, I'm going to get this one and this one. Okay. One is 26 count and one is 31 count. This came out of the October P&G. Now these are 2 packs of Huggies. Let me show you what coupon I'm going to use. Okay? So here, no judgment zone, right? $3 off pull-ups. It expired 11/8. These right here are the ones you're going to grab, okay? Of course, we're going to grab these because they was $1.72. You have a, where's the coupon? $1 off coupon, making them 72 cents. Jergens, you have the travel size, 3 fluid ounces. This is the 3.4. This coupon's for $2. Those are $1.84, giving you 16 cents over. You're going to use 2 of those, okay? This coupon right here is a if. I don't know if it'll work or not, but it's supposed to work. Code on the same one as this. So let's make sure we got all our coupons together. We want to go up here, pick out your cashier. Pick your cashier. Don't freaking not pick your cashier. I'm going to put one of these back. One of these are going back because I only got a coupon for one. Okay. So now this is our baby edition. This is our baby deal. We gonna try to make it work. Okay. And if anyone do this deal, and if it don't work for you, that is not my fault, guys. I say these is at-risk deals. But even if it don't work, the Lowe's Pampers are $4.97. You got a dollar off coupon. They still $3.97. So don't be crazy. Be diligent and get what you need. Okay, it was some Huggy Trials somewhere around here, and lo and behold, I don't see them no more. They gone. If I see them, I'm gonna grab them because they giving some nice overage. Also, they said it was on the end caps, but I don't see. Oh, this is the one I need for the natural care. Okay, so my $2 off coupon will work for this. Okay, so you got to be specific with the ones you do. It's this one. Hopefully it's that one right there. If not, and it beep and they say you can't get it, okay, that ain't no biggie. Put it down and go. And say, oh, okay, I thought it worked. I thought that was the correct coupon. Don't get the arguing with these people talking about that's the coupon and all of this old stuff, because you know you ain't here doing something you ain't got no business doing. So don't do it. But I want to help out people that need helping out. So I won't flash these coupons again, though. That's it. After this, I will not show them again. So guys, if you're ready for me to do my budget deals again, let me know at Walmart. I will be doing them right here, doing my budget deals, getting everything together. We will next stay tuned Thursday night for the Dollar General scenario 525 Saturday scenario. That is something that I love doing. People enjoy. You all leave me so many comments. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will keep doing it. So guys, I want to go check this out real quick. I want to see if they put the PlayStation out. If they did, I want to see how much. I heard it's 5 something, because I know Target got it advertised. So before we go around there, I'm waiting for one of the cashiers that I know don't check the coupons to be up there. So I gotta roll around. Yeah, I gotta roll with me. So let's go. Look at this TV, 55-inch. It's called a Crystal UHD. It's by Samsung. It is $398. Now, that's not a bad price. They've been putting out a lot of their stuff too. So what's this? Oh, that's a sound bar. So no, they still did not have it. So the TV still ain't here. They got the Vizios. They have the Samsungs, the Hisenses, the TCLs. They do not have that old end. And look, they took some more TVs down since I did that walkthrough the other day. They took more TVs down. These online deals, y'all watch it, because those TVs was not that hot. And here is the Roku, but is one gonna be $84, like $34. It's gonna be a nice one. The Screaming Made Easy. This it. That's only $29. They empty, so that must have been a good deal. Let me grab this, because I couldn't. It was something I tried to get and couldn't get. Okay, y'all see, I done picked up other stuff, because these boys is having chili dogs today. Your girl ain't finna cook. Not today. I can't do it. I'm exhausted. I cannot do it. But these will make good stocking stuffers. Antibacterial wet wipes. You put them in you can put them in your stocking stuffers, in your bags, your gift bags for the kids. Those are good wipes. Oh my God, what's this? Then they got this hand sanitizer. It's $1. Hand sanitizer. Look at that. I would grab it, but I'm on a mission. Okay, guys. Y'all see me with these products. Thank God for my uni up in there, because she hooked me up on some stuff, so I had to go and switch some things out and switch some stuff around. First of all, I never buy this type. When I'm doing what I'm doing, I never buy this by itself. I always add stuff onto it. That's just a little pet peeve of mine. Just add something onto it. Don't look obvious. Okay, guys. And again, this is at your own risk. At your own risk, so don't judge me. All of this added up to $16. Now, this is what she told me. If you use 2 of these at one time, they beep. So I took this one and put it over here. Then these, I had to get the $2 off coupon that I used on this one. Instead of that 3 don't work on these. She already told me that, so I used the $2 off one. These were $4.97. I had a $1 off coupon. They came out the P&G. Okay, all of this stuff. Y'all see me with all that good, delicious stuff, right? I'm just going to show you my amount, and that's all I'm going to show y'all. $16, baby. $16.86. And that's okay. Oh, and I got one Excite. And here it is. I'm sorry. One Excite. So I don't think that other one, she told me to use one coupon for that, but it still beeps. So I told her just leave it on there. Don't even bother. So do not use that coupon that I showed you for the body wash. That one beeped, okay? Only if you're going to do the Jergens, only do 1 Jergens per transaction, because the other one will beep. And if you're going to do the Huggies, do not use the $3 pull-up. Use the $2 Huggy coupon, okay? Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed this baby deal episode from Walmart. Please subscribe to my channel, hit like, and hey, let's get it going. Bye.